Welcome to the NIOS 319 Business Studies lesson on financial planning and management. By the end of the video, you will learn about the meaning, objectives, and importance of financial planning and the concept and pattern of capital structure. Now, imagine you're a budding entrepreneur with a great business idea. You want to turn this idea into a reality, but you need money to make it happen. That's where financial management comes in. It's like a treasure hunt, where you learn to procure funds and invest them wisely for maximum profit. Financial management involves three main decisions: the investment decision, the financing decision, and the dividend decision. Let's take a closer look. The investment decision is all about choosing the right assets to invest in. It's like building your dream team to make your business successful. You have long-term investments like fixed assets and short-term investments like current assets. And don't forget about portfolio investment and merger decisions. It's like assembling a squad of financial superheroes. Now, let's move on to the financing decision. Think of this as finding the best ways to raise the money you need for your business. You can borrow from banks, issue shares or debentures, and use other long-term and short-term debts. But remember, each option comes with its own costs and risks. And finally, the dividend decision. Here, you'll decide how to share the profits with your shareholders. You can either pay dividends or reinvest the profits back into the business for future growth. It's like deciding how to distribute your business sweet rewards. Financial planning is like creating a roadmap for your financial journey. It involves estimating your current financial situation, analyzing future growth prospects, and appraising investment options. Picture yourself planning an adventurous trip. You need to figure out where to go, how much money you'll need, and what to do at each step. So, when creating a sound financial plan, there are essential aspects to consider. Keep it simple, take a long-term view, and be flexible to adapt to changes along the way. You want to make sure your funds are used optimally, and you have enough liquidity for unexpected twists and turns. But why is financial planning so important? Well, it helps estimate your fund requirements accurately, guides you in developing a balanced capital structure, ensures proper fund utilization, and helps you face unforeseen financial situations with confidence. Now, let's talk about the capital structure. It's like deciding how much of your business will be funded by equity, owned by shareholders, and how much by debt, borrowed money. The capital structure can take different forms. You can have a combination of equity and debt or stick with just one type. It's like building a strong foundation for your business. You want it to be sturdy and balanced. This means when deciding on your capital structure, you need to consider factors like cash flow, return on investment, tax rates, and the cost and risk of debt and equity. It's like solving a puzzle to find the perfect fit for your business. Financial planning and management are the dynamic duo for every business. They help you make informed decisions, optimize your funds, and pave the way for success. In the world of business, financial planning is like having a treasure chest filled with funds. You get to allocate those funds to various assets, like buildings and money bags, to make your business grow. Financial management is like being the captain of a team. You make informed decisions about investments, financing, and dividends, guiding your business to success. Then, leverage is like using the power of borrowed money to lift heavy weights in business. By borrowing smartly from banks or issuing shares, you can magnify your profits and minimize your risks. When you make a profit, you face a delightful choice. You can either share the money bags with your happy shareholders through dividends, or you can reinvest it back into the business for more growth. Planning your financial journey is like mapping out your route on a roadmap. You use a compass to find the right direction and a magnifying glass to explore various investment options. Financial planning is just like planning an exciting trip. You set goals, create a timeline, and take small steps towards achieving your financial dreams. Sometimes, simplicity is the key to success. By choosing straightforward financial instruments and keeping a long-term view, you can be flexible and ready to adapt to any situation. To ensure your financial journey stays on track, use a trusty calculator to estimate your funds accurately. Keep your hard-earned money safe and protected from unexpected financial storms. The fact is, teamwork makes the dream work. Discuss your financial plans with your friends and colleagues and understand the importance of different fund requirements and capital structures. And when you need funds for your business, your loyal shareholders may come to your rescue by contributing to equity capital. Or you can borrow from other sources like banks to fuel your growth. So, building a strong capital structure is like assembling building blocks. You aim for a balanced mix of equity and debt to ensure your business stands tall and steady. Thus, managing cash flow is like navigating a river. You want money flowing in and out smoothly, just like managing your investments and interest rates for the best returns. Finally, solving the financial puzzle involves considering factors like cash flow, returns on investment, and tax rates. With the right strategy, you can find the perfect fit for your business. And with those final words, we conclude this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.